Hello, Daniella. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. Wow, I just realized there's a lot of students in here from our typography class. Tyler, Danielle, Kennedy, Colt. There's a few. Wow, this is great. This is like a continuation of our group from typography. I just noticed that. That's fantastic. Very cool. Danielle, let's go and take a look. I've got your work up here now. Good job with your written portion. The only thing I don't see in here is your target audience. So jump over to the assignment page, right? And we jump over here now. Define and state your target audience to develop your content. Target audience is critically important in graphic design. So you always want to define your target audience and isolate it to an age. I think it's a really good idea to do a little research so you can really nail that target audience, because to a very high degree, the success of any graphic design project is only as accurate, or it's only as good as its ability to communicate with the intended target audience. So it's very important to always define your target audience to a very high degree. Nail that target audience. Don't be broad. Be specific in defining your target audience. Let's go and take a look at the work. Okay, so let's jump down here and let me reduce this size a little bit so we can fit these. Okay, so sketches look great. Wow, good job with your type. Good job. It's also really important to, don't forget, you can just go ahead and label these. Okay, so for example, this, you can just jump right in here and label that and say, okay, sans serif typeface, universe, for example. You see what I'm saying? So don't be afraid to label your sketches. It's perfectly acceptable. Okay, so tarot card. This is great. I love the fact that it's shaped like a tarot card and it's designed like a tarot card. I think that's really interesting stuff right there. Get off your, that's good. That's good. Love it. Yep, that's good. Love it. And then this, I think this is the weakest link in the three. And the only reason I say that is because it just doesn't have the kind of challenging potential that these two have. I think these two could provide a high degree of challenge for you. And that's what we're looking for. We want to challenge ourselves on every single project, right? Oh, there's your typefaces right there. Interesting. Good job. Good job. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and make your decision. You decide which direction you want to pursue. I think you're fine here for your submission on Sunday. The only thing I would like to see here is to really define to a high degree, define and describe your target audience for each of the three. In terms of moving forward, go ahead and you choose, which I would say definitely between 1 and 2. But you go ahead and you choose and you decide which one has the most potential, which one you feel most passionate about, and go ahead and pursue that direction. Okay, as usual, right? Same thing as last class. Any questions at all, please let me know immediately and we'll address those quickly. Great job. Thanks so much for sharing.